Katie, you smell so good.
It's all because of my natural solid perfume recipe. It cuts out the nasty toxins, which perfumes are full of, to add a subtle yet beautiful aroma.
This recipe comes from our January 2022 recipe box, and we're so excited to show you how to make it.
With this box, we're replacing personal care items with safer, less toxic versions.
So let's check it out.
To make this recipe, you'll want to grab your recipe box, find your recipe card, and labels. We'll be using citrus burst and clary sage essential oils.
And from our big bonus box, you're going to want to grab your beeswax, your almond oil, and from your home, a small sealable container that you can put the finished product in. All right, so I'm going to put a teaspoon of beeswax.
Beeswax is going to help us get the consistency for our recipe. It also puts a protective layer over the skin.
And a tablespoon of almond oil. So I'm going to go and warm this up, and I'll be right back.
Once your beeswax is just melted, we're going to add our essential oils.
I'm going to add 4 drops of the clary sage.
And 2 drops of citrus burst.
We're going to want to stir this together to make sure that the essential oils are evenly distributed.
And then once it's stirred, we'll pour it into our little container, let it cool, and then it's ready to be used. Now we'll just let it cool and add our label. When it's all cooled, it will look like this. Just apply a little bit to your finger. It's going to melt when it comes into contact with your skin. And apply it to your pulse points, and you're going to smell so good.
We just made an all-natural perfume with 0 toxins.
Using all natural ingredients and the power of essential oils. To get everything you need for this recipe, go to simplyearth.com/box.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe now button because you're going to love this recipe.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
To add a subtle yet beautiful aroma.